Hey there everyone, I'm Jake, and if you're like me, you've probably had those plastic tire valve caps that one, don't look very good, and two, don't seal very well. Now these are decent at protecting your threads and keeping dirt out, but they're not designed to seal very well and don't hold up in the instance of a leaking stem valve. So with that being said, I went online and did some research, and I came across these awesome medical grade stainless steel tire valve caps from DeVant, and they are absolutely amazing. Let's go check them out. All right guys, we're back with our brand new pack of stainless steel tire valve caps from DeVant, and let me tell you, these things are amazing. They're CNC machined from solid stainless steel, which is great because stainless steel has amazing corrosion resistance against both acidity and alkalinity. And if you're concerned that these aren't going to match the color of your car or your tire, don't worry, because they come in a PVD plated black, gold, and rose gold options. And for those of you who aren't aware of what PVD is, that's a process that adds a titanium alloy coating to the stainless steel to further reinforce that these will hold up in hostile environments and they won't corrode. Now I'm gonna go put these on one of my cars that doesn't already have them, just so you can see the difference and how good they actually look. All right guys, before I change out the old valve cap, I just wanted to take 1 second to show you up close the amazing quality on these. From the stainless steel knurling on the outside to the silicone gasket seal on the inside, these are just next level quality. Now luckily, I haven't had this seal on for too long, so it's not gonna be corroded, but if it was, I'd have to get all types of tools to get it off, and it would be a huge project. Now luckily with these, you're never gonna have to worry about that because no matter how long they're on there for, they're never gonna corrode. So all we're gonna do, take off our old plastic valve cap and then seamlessly screw on our new one. And these fit on almost any kind of tire. And that's the whole process. And you're gonna be able to drive with a lot more peace of mind knowing that if you ever have a stem valve leak, your tire's not gonna go flat. Now I'm gonna take this out for a spin. Thank you guys for watching.